everyone! Today, I want to tell you about my fun day at the zoo. I went there with my mommy and daddy. We saw lots of animals. It was so exciting. First, we saw a big giraffe. It was so tall. Its neck was like a tree. It was eating leaves from a high branch. I wanted to touch its long neck, but Mommy said no. Then, we saw a lion. It was sleeping under a shady tree. Its fur was so thick and golden. It looked so strong and majestic. I was a little scared, but I also felt amazed. Next, we saw a family of elephants. They were playing in the water. They were splashing each other with their trunks. It was so funny to watch. I loved seeing their big ears and long trunks. We also saw monkeys, tigers, bears, zebras, and many more animals. Each animal was unique and special in its own way. I learned so much about them from the signs and from my parents. I had a delicious lunch at the zoo's cafeteria. I ate a grilled cheese sandwich and a juice box. It was so yummy. After lunch, we watched an animal show. It was amazing. We saw sea lions balancing balls on their noses, parrots talking, and even a chimpanzee riding a unicycle. I clapped my hands and cheered so loud. We spent the rest of the day exploring the zoo. We saw all the different habitats and learned about how the animals live. I even got to pet some of the animals, like the goats and the sheep. It was so soft and fluffy. By the end of the day, I was tired but happy. I had so much fun at the zoo. I can't wait to go back again someday. Thank you for listening.